Welcome to the HackMatrix stream, robotics edition. This is the, I think, fourth time I have tried to launch this particular stream. Maybe I think the fourth time. It's been a lot. I'm tired. I'm going to remove this one. I'll make that private. It's been a lot. I'm just going to be honest. But we're live once more. There are some robotics parts here. There is a robot, or a robot. There is an Arduino, a breadboard, a two Geardison 300 RPM motors, and that is enough to make a simple man. So what is a simple man? I'm glad you asked. This is a simple man. Well, this is an import. Import appearances. This is an import of an Arduino Mega, but this is a simple man. And a simple man, it's actually going to need 3D printed wheels, let's be honest. Guess I could design that right now, right? What's the circumference of this? Where the radius is 21, so we need to make something like 30. Wish I could just like copy that. Not exactly sure how I'm even going to mount this wheel, but I think this wheel is actually going to be the crucial part of the robot. Wish I could just like find something that's wheel-like and just use that. Can I hack this? Is there like a really easy hack here? It's like something stupid. It's like the lids to like the what type of wheel am I going to use? Like I could use the lids to the Panera Bread coffee or something. I don't know. Maybe I'll try to hack something. I think I just need to get this thing printed. But I do want to insert this new part that I just imported. So this is owned by me now, I believe. Where did it go? It's an imported part. Derpy Dragon. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Ooh, that looks like a cool robot. I want to check that one out. Damon 10. Oh, that's cool. My first gear, my large gear. DEFCON part. Amulet, I remember making that. RPi base. What the fuck is this part? Did it fail? Did it fail? Let's do one more. Alright, check on the health of the stream. Okay, hopefully this one won't crash. Okay. Okay. So it looks like on the back side there will be plenty of space for the Arduino board to sit. Then I will have a small breadboard about the size of the Arduino board. Maybe I should just go ahead and make that. So this breadboard here. Whoops, 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 whoops. Okay, so I need to make that breadboard. So let's get some measurements here. So there is this. And then zero that out. 0. Okay, so the first measurement. Wait, you guys want to see the action here? So let me remove the mouse. I can still use the mouse. It's not there. Okay. Whoop. Okay. Let me pull it all the way out there. Okay, 3.3 inches, but we don't do inches here. 8.39. So I'll go with 8.4. That's fine. 8.4 by, let me go back here. Okay, 8.4 by, let's do 6. 8.4, 5.6. 8.4, uh-oh. Okay, I dropped it. 8.4, 5.6. Let me go ahead and, let's see. I believe I can leave this here like so. It's harmless enough, I guess. I think I probably want to turn it off. Make it look somewhat zen. I just have to make sure not to move the mouse too abruptly. Okay. Well, looks like the stream is still live. I believe I'm still live. So that is good. Okay, so the simple man. Okay. Okay. You know what? I don't even care. The breadboard will certainly have space. Okay, I think this thing is ready to print. So to do that, we go to the simpleman base, and I export the simpleman base as an STL. I'm actually going to do it as an OBJ first. It was downloaded as a zip. Why? I told to download as an STL, not a zip. Or not an STL even. I think an OBJ. Okay, I actually think this should be relatively easy to import. So let's come over here and let's try to import this. Oh, it froze. Oh, it destroyed. Very unfortunate. Zinger. Okay, well, these things happen. I do think what I'm going to do though is come up. Okay, I think the stream should be live, and I think it should be healthy, and it probably has about 10 minutes on it or something. So I think these are both me watching, which is funny. Okay, let's go to the stream. And then I'll have to open up the Onshape again. Okay, so now let's go back over here and maybe I'll open up Onshape a little bit farther away from the Pantheon. Okay. Okay, so I'll go back to Chiron, and then I'll go back to... Oh, Chiron has been... Okay, those are versions. Okay. I was thinking Chiron has been forked 4 times. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Why is it crashing? Why is it repetitively crashing? Okay, peak. Have to make sure that the stream continues to stay healthy. I'm tired of restarting the stream. This robot is going, it's very close to being put onto the printer. So. Okay, so the stream is healthy. Let's go back to where we were and hopefully not crash this stuff. So I'm going to come back here and open up the Chromium. I tried to, I think I was going to import the OBJ, but I think things crashed. I guess I'll import it. I think that's actually going to be kind of cool if I can actually not. Okay. Every time I try to open up that menu, it actually crashes. So, pkill stream must be alive. It must be healthy, my stream. Sorry for the singing. Okay, we are live once more. Okay, so I can't actually. I think the menu is broken. I think the game engine menu is broken, which actually makes this somewhat difficult. But I'm just designing a robot at the moment, so it's not like that'd be something I would fix immediately if I was doing something that wasn't like robotics. But at the moment, all I'm doing is this, so it's not a big deal. What is a big deal is I have to sign in. Okay. So I need to, I knew that was going to happen. I knew that was going to fucking happen. Pkill, Chromium, Pkill. Let's not go to Reddit. Let's go to YouTube. Let's go to the stream. Okay. Okay, so let's try to load Chiron. hopefully I can get this thing to load. I would like to sign in. You have my creds. Opened by me. Or owned by me. Okay, simple man. Okay, so now I'm going to export this not as an STL or an OBJ, but as an STL. Okay, millimeters, it's downloaded. Okay, now SLI, okay, so I need slicer, so arch SLI3ER, something like that. Okay, it's in the AUR. Please don't, jeez. Man, it is really picky today. It really is picky. I don't know why it's just acting this way today. Maybe I broke it. Kill Chromium. I guess Chromium's always been kind of borked. Okay, something about Chromium. Andre Castellano says hello. Sir HackMatrix, say hello back. Okay, let's try once more to open up the browser-based CAD system that I must once more sign into. And then I think it'll open up Chiron, which is kind of not on the back burner, but it's going to evolve from SimpleMan. Okay. Oh, you know what? I was going to use pcar, arch slicer, SLIC3R. Okay, I think I can do that. Sudo, pcar, SYU, SLIC3R. Okay, so it syncs the databases. Following cannot be found. Yeah, we can do that. I don't. Nope. 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 No. 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 I probably shouldn't have done a full system upgrade with pcar, but thus is life. I just upgraded a ton of Perl packages. I think it'll be okay though. Okay, what is it that, man, this Perl stuff's taking forever to build. I guess I can try to, I'm just going to show one camera, and I think I'm going to start it from a Terminator. So this will be HackRPG stream. Start webcam 2 with a sleep 5 so I can put it in a good position. Maybe I have to p-kill mplayer. Okay. One more time. Okay. Actually, I need to p-kill surf. There we go. And now that should be 8. Okay. What ended up happening? Oh, yeah, in-player was just messed up. Okay. Boop. Okay, there we are. Let me get some light. A lot of light. Okay. Whoops. Okay, so now I need to slice this. SLI. That was an installed slicer. Why is it aborting? All right, let's just abort building all packages. Okay, just get rid of all that shit. Don't do that. Look, we don't need to do a full fucking system package upgrade. Just do an SY, I believe. So that's like a sync and not. No. No, we're not going to do this. We're not going to do this. No, don't do that. Okay. Um, maybe it's just an S. I just want to sync. Just. Oh wow. So Slicer does like actually need all these. Damn it. Okay, let's just do it. Hopefully this works. I need Slicer. No. How do I tell it no for all of these? Can you please build appropriately? Can you please install appropriately, not break my system? Sir Pearl, little Pearl baby modules. Looks like they are at least pre-built in temp or something. Why did it fail? The module build module? Okay. Here. I think I need to copy this and then come down here. This problem with using Pacman is that or using Arch. You just have to install so many manual packages. Okay, so I actually need to create another terminator. Sudo pacman syu. I think I could probably do that. Okay, so now I have to come over here. Arch Perl module build. Perl module build. Okay, now I come back over here. Oh, I thought it said Perl module build. Oh, I did PARL. Jeez. Please install. Did it work? I think it worked. Hey, look at that. Now it's. So how did it fail now? Lib slicer. What is the error? When limits. I wonder if I can just get a binary of slicer. Or I can just make it. I think I might just try to make it myself instead of trying to do a package manager. Okay, I think I'm going to do the pkill OBS thing again. Stream, once more check that the stream is live. I've got this down. Wow, 7 are watching. What is Slicer? Slicer takes STL and then turns it into G code. Yeah, it's gonna be chill. Okay. Is that STM32? I think it is. I hope it is. Yeah, I forgot that I'm going to launch this with Terminator. Ah, it's gonna crash. Oh, okay, so I have no control over the music now. That's fine though. It's a little loud. At least for me it is. I think it's probably good though. Okay, so I think, what did I do? Did I download Slicer? Is that available now? Download is unzip. Looks like Morrowind is zipped. Might have to open that up on stream. What the fuck is this? Sorry for cussing, but sorry I didn't download my shit. That's fine. So where is this? Slicer GitHub. Okay, so what I want to do is just download the package. I mean, I guess I could download the app image. That actually might work. Might work well. Sleep 3, some app image. Need to actually ls. Sleep 3. Where the fuck is the app image? Oh, there it is. SLI. Not sure if it'll actually run that. Slice. 2, 3, slice. Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright. Once more. Slice. I want to slice looking down. I need fuse. What the fuck is fuse? Okay, so I'm actually going to try to install this fuse shit. Maybe. App images are like actually kind of useful. Oh. Well, this music's kind of chill. I like the vibe. I'm not sure if it actually ran that appropriately. I think it crashed again. It's like, nope, we don't have it implemented yet. What a pain in the ass. How do I use it? Probably won't work, but let's try it. Some joke about a Linux user spending all their time configuring packages. Okay, so let's try this app image again. If Fuse doesn't work, maybe I'll just compile it from scratch. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, I can do it. I can do it like this. Okay. I don't have Fuse. Let's just get the raw. Jeez. Damn it! Fucking crashed again. Okay, I actually don't want to leave a ton of dead browsers or abandoned browsers. And also, and to reboot OBS. Once more, 7 people watching. What are you using STM32 for, please? I'm building just like a small little robot. Okay, let's go to Terminator real quick, see if I can get this window, or the webcam open. Oh, I actually need to turn off this audio. That's going to sound terrible. HackRPG. Okay, there we are. It's going to crash. Fuck! Why does it keep crashing? HackMatrix is super unstable right now. It's really annoying. I'm not sure what it is about HackMatrix right now. It's just like, jeez, it's really acting up. Oh, man. Hope I didn't p-kill OBS. It's going to crash again? Jeez. Stop fucking crashing. Alright, v pkill. Alright, I think I'm just going to go. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. I think I'm just going to get the tar or the. Yeah, I think I'm just going to get this. Okay. Okay, so. Where the fuck is the tar? There it is. gzip. BZ2. Wait, how do I take care of a BZ2? Please tell. What, XJF? How we didn't just extract it? It's supposed to have a GUI. What the fuck's going on? Okay, so I just have to call GUI? That's weird. a pain in the ass. I'm not sure I can actually use slicer. I'm going to probably use something else. I'll just use this. I don't give a shit. I don't want to use an app image. I wonder if Prusa is good. I wonder if this is a web version I can use. That would be really cool. Uh, yeah, same problem I ran into earlier. Okay, let's try this. Wait, what did I ask it to run? Cura. Please bear with me. These things just take time sometimes. Damn it. Shit. I think I was running pcar, so I think eventually I should just have Kira. I'll just restart pcar. We'll see what happens. So it's saying that test failed. So just skip it. What is this? Lib Savitar? Alright, you know what? The Terminator. Okay. Lib Savitar. Please, I think it's going to break. Can I just skip this? I wonder if I can install Cura. I just want to skip it. It's taking me way too long to figure out how to get a slicer installed. I think Cura will probably work though. I should probably set up the 3D printer while that's working. Okay, so let's take this camera, point it at the 3D printer. Okay, so get extension on my cable here. Okay, so I don't think this has power to it yet, as I suspected. Does it have a power cable attached to it? Does it have a power cable that could be attached to it? Okay. Ooh, it sparked. Which is weird because it's not even on. Maybe it is. Huh. Oh, sorry. Showing off my shoes. Okay. We've got a live printer. So I usually use the SD card. Not sure if this machine has SD card slot though. Excuse me. Okay, so it would appear there's no SD card slot. So what may put a wrench in this is not being able to find the adapter. It's a very small adapter. So that would not be great. So I'm going to hunt around for the adapter. It probably won't take too long to find. Okay, I found it. Here's the adapter. Cool. So I'll be able to upload the G code that I slice using this. I will have to carefully disconnect my keyboard though. I don't think the time is right for that. I don't think we need this anymore. In subsequent episodes, I need to make HackRPG.com into a fully fledged. Well, no. I need to make the HackMatrix. Okay. Okay, let's see what's going on here. So I need to get the server. Why am I in nano? No. I need to get this working well. I think I want to write a very intense multiplayer MMO server to basically run a multiplayer Linux MMO for engineers. That's what I'm going to do. I think I should already have the stream open, but I don't. Oh, 7 people are watching. That's nice. Electric KZ3R says sup. Hawktoss spit on that thing. Making a bot for the stream, OD MRS says. Yes, making a bot for the stream. Are you running a virtual machine? Nope. This is it's just Arch. Whoops. Goodbye. Slicer for 3. Yes, 3D print, Ender 3. Yeah, I have an Ender 3. That's what I'm going to print on. Running Blender. Please tell me how to use Blender for slicing. That would be nice. I guess I could search for it. Hold on. Need to kill some windows here. What is this again? Oh, the server. I'm SSH'd in. Okay, I'm in. Okay, I think I was going to kill some windows. I'm on the hunt. Oh, I have a lot of these camera windows open, these camera terminals. I guess I'll kill that Emacs. I don't need that Emacs. I'm not really even using this either, so I'll kill it as well. Okay, so I'm going to kill this Blender. I've never used Blender to slice G-code before. It sounds kind of cool, though. It sounds like it might work. Oh, whoops. Okay, so I think I'm going to try to, like, import, I don't know, an STL. Is that what I'm doing? Okay, I'll import an STL. So I think this might be in downloads. Simple Man, yeah, there it is. Okay, I don't need this anymore. How do I delete that? Okay, there's the big dog. Le Simple Man. Okay, how do I slice it? So do I export it as G-code? Like, can I just... How would one do this? Is there like a 3D printing mode? Like I'm totally just missing. I mean, it looks cool in here. I just don't know how to. Here. Electric KZ3. Please tell me how to do this. It's kind of neat. Oh man, this is slowing down. All right. Goodbye. Yeah, a dicer, a blender slicer. Yeah, it's kind of lame. Cura. Shit. Here it is. Let's... Oh my god, it's impossible. It's impossible to find a slicer. Arch Linux. Let's see if there's one that they recommend here. Okay, I'll try that. Alright, is it any good? Does it even boot? Oh my god. Cross my shit. Bro, I'm just trying to slice some shit. This is so annoying. I've used Slicer before in this. It's just Perl's not getting set up appropriately on Emacs. Or on Arch. Okay, so Arch. Let's try that again. Arch Linux 3D printer slicer. I wonder if there's a web slicer. Well, let's see if it works. I got it. Okay, so I want this. Okay, not so bad. Not so bad. Let's get rid of that. Okay, the bed size is a little fucked. I guess it should be fine. It needs to be flipped though. How do I flip it? Needs to rotate about the y-axis in 180 degrees, I believe. There we go. Respected it. It's kind of sketchy. I don't know what it's doing there. I don't know, man. I think this might work. I think this might work. Can we slice it? Hopefully this just like, jeez, grinding my GPU. Oh my god. Did it download it? You have one job. The slicer is destroying my machine. So does it break? Does it break like last time? Oh no, it sliced it. Hell yeah. Look at that. Come on. No! It actually sliced it though. You saw that. It sliced it. I sliced it. Don't break it this time. Come on. Come on, I want to see the slice. Come on. Come on, don't break. Come on. Don't freeze either. I believe this is the slicer that's breaking. It's not me. Man. I've got it. I think I've got slicer. I think I've got it. Slice. Slicer. Oh, damn it. I don't have libtiff. Not sure what it's complaining about here. Okay. Arch Linux, please. Oh, what did I just do? Ah, fuck. This is not going well. Oh, did it crash? I'm going to drink another Red Bull if I can find it. I should have more. Probably JPEG. An app image? No. Alright, let's try bamboos. They only have Bamboo Studio for... Damn. I love how Windows is trying to make a little pop-up window and my window manager is like, no. It's just like incredibly funny to me. try the Windows version. Yeah, it might work. Alright, let's boot it. Hey, hey. Looks like I have a slicer. Uh-oh. Well, that's probably an installer. Hey, damn. Alright, let's try a slicer. Come on, just boot slicer. Fuck. Let's try that again. That doesn't work either. Damn it. Okay. So nothing works. libjbig is in the package nodes when it says. What if I can just get clone it? How am I supposed to build this thing? I have Gentoo, but no Arch. So there's Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, Gentoo. Hey, I'll fucking use ProBrew. Solves my fucking Pro problems. Fucking Pro. Fuck! I'm tired of this, dude. Man, stream's getting old, man. Can't even get a slice. What was I doing? I was in Slicer. Like Wiki, like trying to do ProBrew stuff. And I was over here. Doing ProBrew. So I get ProBrew and then I install all of this stuff. So that's how I install ProBrew, except it didn't work. Like these stupid scripts. ProBrew root. Okay, have Prober working. Stupid pull shit that I need. Well, I have no idea if this Prober thing works. WX Perl. Oh. What a pain in the ass. Arch sucks. All this just to slice some code, or just slice some STL. Maybe I'll actually be able to slice it after I install this. Cool build. Apparently this WX Perl just takes forever. What a pain. actually loaded it this time. Okay, 112. Needs probably 180. Okay, change of plan. I have a server. And I've turned on this server before. So I got all of the HackMatrix stream stuff. So I need to take to unplug the 3D printer, plug up the server, get SSH'd into it. Have to get it up on the TV. That won't be a problem. When watching, I want to get this sliced. I need to get its IP address though. Can use. See if I can get this TV turned on. Probably works for HDMI one. root. Hang on. I have another. Looks like it's trying to. Looks like it crashed. Okay, see, I have Slicer open now. And so what I can do, oops. So I have Slicer open. So what I can do now is open up a terminal. And then SSH 10.0.0.10.0.0.233 S. Okay. So okay. Come on. There's input. It's really not being nice. Okay. Finally get to slice it. Okay. Okay, now I have to figure out. So this needs to go into the server. It's the front side of the server too. I'm gonna be able to use my camera here to see the fuck I'm doing. Let's see if we can get this thing in here. There we go. Alright, and now I can just save. Oops. This will be called Simple Man. Okay. Okay, save that. Okay, it has been exported. So now all I have to do is say export again. And I can just use the file manager to. Okay, so that has been taken care of. Now all I need to do install the little SD card. For some reason it goes in upside down. Okay, the server must die. So, unplug the server, plug in the 3D printer. So, the server is really no longer needed anyways. Okay. There it is. Okay, so it's going to take up pretty much the entire bed. I think it's pretty pre-configured. I think it's good to go. But I'll probably have to monitor it. It's probably worth setting up like this to monitor. Self. There we go. Okay, so now let's take back the keyboard. Okay, that was a relatively easy hack. That was actually a great hack. So now I have the 3D printer set up. I think it should start its print soon. I'm fairly happy with that. It took me forever to find a slicer. It just wouldn't work on Arch Linux. Just couldn't find one that like worked with Arch. Fucking pissed me off. It took so long to get that sliced. Hey, but it's sliced now. It's sliced. So now I need to do some let's see. So once that prints, I will have motor mounts. So now I have some transistors and an Arduino board. And so I need to use the transistors to drive power. So here's the Arduino board. There. Here is a breadboard. There were a group of transistors which I have found. Here they are. I suppose it wouldn't hurt to put the transistors into the breadboard. Okay, the transistors are set up. So they're not power transistors. Let's see. So there are two types of transistors that I have. They are the NPN PN2222. So this is the bipolar PN2222. So we have a collector, a base, and an emitter. Oh, let's monitor the 3D printer. It's moving. Okay, it's just the head. It's just that. You can barely see it moving. It's just heating up now. It has the bed at 55, so now it has to get the nozzle up to 200. Okay, so this is the NPN transistor. Excuse my porn URLs. Okay, so the NPN transistor, negative, positive, negative. So it takes BCBEIC, collector, emitter, base. Okay, so the base is always positive with respect to the emitter. Okay, so the emitter, how do I use an NPN? I just want to control power with the NPN. I guess I can use a switch. That's basically what I want. Okay, so the output is tied to the collector. Control input flows into the base. Output is tied to the collector and the emitter is kept at a fixed voltage. Okay, so the control input to the base. Let me make sure I'm using the 3D printer is moving. It's drawing something now. Let's see if it draws well. I think that's usable. Like, I don't know. It's not the greatest skirt in the world, but I mean it's usable. It's like really grinding though. I'll take it. Okay, what was I doing? I was working on this. Okay, so it flows into the base. So let me make sure I have a PN2222. I need to make sure I have the correct one. Okay. So I have isolated a PN2222. And so the base, I'll drop this here so maybe you can see it. Okay, so I have isolated, if you see on the breadboard, there is one transistor that is on the other side. That is a PN2222. It needs a it needs a connection to an Arduino output because that is the transistor's base. And so when I pull that up to 5 volts, it will saturate the transistor, and power will be driven, or power will be allowed to flow through the transistor. Whoops. Okay, so see, I have them numbered correctly. So 1 is the collector, 3 is the emitter. So the output, 1 is the collector, 3 is the emitter. So the 3 gets tied to a fixed voltage. Okay. So I recently got a power supply. You can see numbers here. So those numbers actually reference the numbers on that website. So 3 has a white wire coming out of it, which will apply a fixed voltage from the power supply. Okay. Okay, the base goes to lucky number 7 in the Arduino. And so typically when I plug something into an Arduino board like this, let me see if I can move this up slightly so you can see the board while looking at the 3D print. Okay, there it is, kind of. Oh! There goes my microcontroller. These things are durable as hell though, so I just want to make sure the stream is good. But yeah, the stream is good. Anybody asking? It just needs more sauce. The fuck is this desktop? Is this this is X11 called HackMatrix. That's what this desktop is. I built it. It's custom. It's mine. Hello. Okay, so let's see. What was I doing? The transistors. Okay, so I have so the only thing I need now is, okay, so there's so we have a 5 volt. The output is tied to the collector. So there will need to be a common ground. So the collector, wait. The collector is tied to the output. The emitter is kept at a fixed voltage. Okay. So the collector will move through the motor. So it will move through the motor. I'm only going to have a singular direction. I could do a double direction. It requires, I mean, it's basically an H bridge. That's what it makes. But you can see the motor there. I've added the motor right here. So that is tied to the collector. And then it will need to it will need to go to a common ground. Okay. This is actually my first time using raw transistors like this. I usually don't do this way. Okay. So there is a single motor circuit, with the exception that there needs to be, let's see. Wait a minute. So this white is actually supposed to go to positive power. I'm kind of hesitant to use a power rail like that. You can't even see what I'm doing. So the white wire has been put into the positive power rail, and then this black wire will come out of number 1, which is the collector. And the collector is tied to the output. So this is a motor. It will have current be driven across it to the ground, like so. And so I can just plug my power supply into the power rail, and that will be able to use a transistor to drive that particular motor. So I think that wiring is correct. And then there are 5 more transistors on this board. You can see them. So I need to find the PN22222. And so I actually need to flip the board around. I wish I had my DSLR. If I had my DSLR, I could show you. I could literally show you the transistor number. I'll get a DSLR very soon, because they are very fun to. Okay, I think this one is a 222222. What's up? Okay. To me, that looks like a 222222. Okay, I've got a 222222. 222222. Okay. And so I'll just need to follow the same pattern. On 11, 12, and 13, as opposed to 1, 2, and 3. So that should be okay. Although I think I fucked up one of the base transistor lead here. I'm not super happy about that. Okay, there we go. So now I just have to wire that one up. But before I do that, I think I need to now, like, maybe write some code or something. Because I've already chosen a pin. So let's see what's going on. It is a fun way to manage Windows. I really enjoy it. What time zone? EST. Yes, it is fun. It also has hotkeys. So it's not like I actually have to use, I mean, I can use it like it's i3. So it's like i3, and look, I can even decrease the flop. I call it flop. So I press 9 a few times, and then it's just like super fast. It's instant. So it's like having just i3. It doesn't like you wouldn't even know that it's 3D because it's just flopping, or the flop is so low. But then I can press 0 a few times, and then I get the 3D animation. And so the flop is the amount of time it takes to transition, is basically that. What is this? Oh, that needs to remain open. What suite of Linux? So yeah, this is let me not open up another terminal. We have plenty. Let's use this. This is Arch Linux running on a MSI Katana A15. Running the window manager, not NeoFetch. It is HackMatrix. HackMatrix is a 3D Linux desktop environment and a game engine. I wrote it. It's about a year old. So that is, I'm going to p-kill surf, get rid of that. Goodbye, surf. So that is, yeah, that's HackMatrix. I use Artix. That's cool. Oh, nice. So based on Arch, rolling distribution. I love how like Linux systems get like so nitpicky about like various like niche things. Like this one's like PID1 must be simple. So they're obviously not using systemd. I actually really like systemd, so just like I really like X11. I'm a freak. I'm a freak. Boop 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 boop. I should get a tattoo. Should get a systemd tattoo. Will you guys hate me if I get a systemd tattoo? Because I don't really care. Arctics. Maybe Sparkies would. PID1. Let's take a look at my PID1. Sudo kill 91. Let's do PSA grep1. That is not the way to do that. Yeah. Oh, that is a lot of systemd. I do actually really like systemd. But I'll stop talking about it. Cool idea. Yeah, thank you. It's multiplayer. I'm making a massively multiplayer game out of it. The way to connect. I think the server might be running. HackRPG.com 1234 connect. Okay, server's not running. Hold on. Hold on. Let's see what I do. SSH HackRPG.com. Okay. If anybody boots and connects, their little avatar will appear in the stream. So if you get it to connect and you send me a message, I'll look for your little avatar. And so we can play multiplayer. You'll see mine, I'll see yours. You can run around on stream. You won't be able to see my screens. You actually won't be able to see much of the level either. But that'll change soon. I'll do networked levels and shit. Right now it just loads whatever level you have set up. And so it just uses global space to do multiplayer stuff. Okay, so it looks like the 3D print after like the second layer has started to sort of fill out. I'm okay with that print. Okay, so let's see. Um, so the simple man needs some, I think it needs like simpleman.ino, I believe. That's how you would do that. So I need AVR dude. Upload to Arduino without IDE. AVR dude. Probably just I like AVR dude. AVR girl is pretty good too. That's the web version. Written by the granddaughter of one of the godfathers of AI, actually. AVR girl. I've used it, it's quite good. I actually have a commit in here. Where the fuck am I? Where am I? Please don't crash. Okay. Who dat? Dat me. Dat me. Contrib. AVR girl. Did it install AVR dude? Bruh. Bruh, did I get AVR dude, bruh? Okay, got it. Got it. Got AVR dude, bruh. Alright, so how do I use this? Arduino, COM1, 18 mega 328p. Let's go! I'm not sure what this blink.hex is. Oh, do I have to compile it to a hex? That's cool. Okay, well, I'll copy that. Let's do vim flash. That's probably just like a crunch bang bin bash chmod plus x flash. Okay. Not sure if it's going to be com1. That'll be slash dev slash something. udev. This is an overtime stream. Hopefully that print doesn't take too long. Sparkies, thanks for the sub. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Still looks like it's having a bit of a problem filling out there, but at least you can see it. Oh, this is shitty. I mean, it's typical of me, but look at that. Look at that, it's empty. Look at that. No filament. This thing has been running with no filament. It's just been scratching. That's fine though. It only got done with like 5% anyways, or 2% or something. Not a big deal. We'll need to take possession of that though. Ow! Fuck, I knew that would hurt. I hate it when I do this. I put my fingernail on the corner of this trying to get it up, and it like fucking stabbed me. Of course it would. Okay, I need to go get filament. I'll be right back. Speaking of me, mplayer TV / buongiorno. Okay, I'll be right back. So what's going on here is that I need to pull this out. Lock. So I need to go to prep, preheat PLA. So now it's going to bring the temp. What's going on? Oh, HackMatrix is fucked. Okay, there we are. Back to that. Okay. Get closer so you guys can see what's going on. Okay, so I don't want a giant ring. So I have to preheat the temp of the PLA nozzle to 200. And so then I will be able to pull it once it gets to the temp of that. I'll be able to pull it out. The reason I'm pulling it out is because I have this new spool. So I need to somehow direct this into the new spool. Direct this into the tube. There we go. And with the preheated PLA, to raise this. Nice view. Okay, ready? So I'm going to go to, please don't home. Okay, it's homing. It's homing. can see that it started to, there we go. So I think it's ready to go. I think it's ready to print. So I will set this up. Okay. Not a huge fan of the artwork behind me. You guys can't even hear what I'm saying. Okay, I'm back. Well, the filament's set up, so hopefully that'll 3D print correctly now. We'll see though. Not a fan of the artwork behind me. This is an Airbnb, so it's not like I set this place up. I probably wouldn't choose that specific art, but I guess it's okay at low res. Okay. Round 2. As you can see, well, maybe you can't. It has filament this time around. I bought 4 Red Bulls and it still seems like not enough. Okay, so AVR dude. Guess I need to get this connected to my computer. I need to get a USB hub, I think. I have to add this cable to program the Arduino. Yeah, I don't think I have enough enough slot, enough USB. I should probably go to Micro Center tomorrow to go get more USB. There's the circuit. At least I got a super long cable. It's 10 feet. Oh, maybe I should just connect this to my server. That actually sounds like a great idea. And then I can run AVR dude from the server. Not a problem. Okay. So I need to write a hello world, the blink program to the Arduino. Then I know my flow is good. And then I'll write the code to just ping the transistor on and off. I'll connect power. I'll see if the motor turns on and off. If it does, I'll create two sides. And then I'll get everything set up. Wired up for the other side. And I'll need to get alligator clips or solder. Paper clips. Good steel paper clips. I'll probably use paper clips, to be honest. Forsen. I don't know what that means, but someone says, who is it? Elise Surge says, Linux bad. I mean, it is kind of bad. Bad to the bone. Bad. I mean, it's not a great operating system for normal users. Only elite hacksaws should be using Linux. I have no idea if this print's going to work. To me, this print appears broken, but I have no idea. Looks like I got it to work. Looks like the plastic's sticking to the bed. You can see that dark outline. Do you see that dark outline? That's the print. Working. It's sticking. It's good to go. It's good to go. I had to do some adjustment to the height, but it works now. I mean, the bed's kind of fucked. You see that brown? You see that brown right there? Just look at my mouse. That's like burnt, scraped bed. It's like the nozzle hitting the bed. It's kind of gross. Bro, Linux has all the games. Bruh. Linux is the game. You corporate computer users have to live in that cuckverse, metaverse. Mr. Lee Surge. Print bed. Oh yeah, I used to do that. Graphics are ugly. Bro, that's just because I'm like a noob at graphics programming. I wrote all of this myself, dude. This is like literally the first 3D thing I've ever made. And it's not, actually, it takes a lot of, if this was dynamic, like if I could like brush this, it's like actually pretty modern to do voxels. I had a pretty modern voxel engine for a while. But yeah, I mean, obviously the graphics are super static. I made it in Magic Voxel. I just needed something to just, play with my window manager with. But I do like voxels. I think it'll be very cool to have like very dynamic water with voxels and like make it look like gravity exists and whatever. Cut first graphics, yeah, would be easy on Windows. Bro, this runs on Windows. I mean, you can just use the subsystem for Linux. Yeah, so to respond to Zia, the blue printer tape works pretty well, but these Ender 3 beds are usually pretty good. You know? Bro, Linux has games. Just go use Steam or whatever. Like Steam Proton. Yeah, XYZ, it is X11. Yeah, I might actually have to get that. I wonder if I can get this in Arch. Yeah, look at that. It's in Extra. Oh, I'm freezing. Why is it freezing? Can you play Super Tux Kart multiplayer? What the fuck is wrong with this? Super Tux Kart. It's not AUR, is it? If anyone wants to play me in multiplayer Super Tux Kart, I'll play. Oh, you only do single player? Why is that? Ah, okay. Also, if someone boots HackMatrix and then connects to multiplayer, I'm connected to the server right now. So if you connect, I'll see you. It's an MMO. MMO Linux. You can't do that on Windows, you fucking asshole. These are going to be nice. A little slow. That's a big boy. 70 kilogram per centimeter is like the heaviest duty servo you can get in this size. Like it doesn't get any heavier than that. Most of them are putting out like 15. Let's see. The 10 of us who do X11 programming? Bionic girlfriend. No, fuck that, dude. I'm gonna get a super... dude, Look. Look at me. Look at me. I am a dumb redneck. I am going to get a wife that is like significantly more intelligent than I am. And she's going to help me build a company. We're going to co-found a cybernetics corporation together. And dumb redneck and intelligent girlfriend. I'm just risky. I'm just ballsy as fuck. Just know how to drop out of college and still make $250,000 a year. It's me. Yeah, that's a feature. Go to university and go recruiting for wives. Yeah. No, dude. Uh, I'm actually a very deep spiritualist. Do you know how kings were selected back in the day? The king wasn't the strong man. The king was the godly man. The only reason people ever respected kings was because they did magic, basically. They were propitious, is I think the word that exemplifies the Roman mindset. So I believe that the spiritual world sort of arranges things for the best, especially relationships. So, neat. It's neat, bruh. Oh, you want to see something that's really cool? This is a slow-mo version of it. If I do this with OBS, it's really cool. Come on, hurry up. Am I even live? I mean, I'm obviously live, but is this browser live? See, it doesn't work. It doesn't work if I don't go live. Here we go. All right. It's time for the OBS recursion. It's not even OBS, this is YouTube recursion. The comment recursion. It's probably good enough for comment recursion. YouTube stack, yeah. You have to be careful or else HackMatrix is going to crash. Let's fucking go. Now it's actually really fun on OBS, although OBS is in this rainbow mode, so I can't do it at the moment. Well, I think this 3D print's probably going to go off. It's probably going to go well. Then all I have to do is mount the hardware. If in the next like hour and a half I get Arduino code written, then we'll be set, good to go. Zia Gia Maria says, is there a spiritual world when everything above the scale of an atom can be explained using classical mechanics and electromagnetics? Yeah, because, everything above the microcontroller level on a robot, is just atoms, knocking around. There's no ghost in the Matrix. There's no ghost there's not like some spirit that was written by some programmer running on an ATmega 25060 or 2560. No, it's just atoms. It's just no. The thing is with electromagnetism. Um, that feeds into the universal wave function. So, like, I personally believe that the electromagnetic radiation that is emitted from a person's brain is sort of bundled in time and space into, I guess, a bundle of electromagnetic radiation that becomes a soul. And because electromagnetic radiation relative to itself is timeless, meaning that all electromagnetic radiation is interfered with by all other electromagnetic radiation. There is no time. A photon does not experience time relative to other photons. You know, I believe that there is a timeless world in which photons exist as a standing wave, and that our souls are the entire collection of all electromagnetic radiation in our heart, in our gut, in our brain, all thoughts we ever thought exists in this sort of universal wave function, timeless. And there is zero physics that any scientist can say and point to and say that my physics invalidates what you just said. Yeah, for sure. Look up the ELF, Earth's ELF, extremely low frequency magnetic fields around the Earth. They interact with the fucking brain. No, I firmly believe that there are various bundles of consciousness. There is a collective consciousness, there is a personalized consciousness, and the EM that gets emitted from the brain is collected into souls. And is used to do very weird things, like transmit information backwards in time and do shit like that, or like communicate with God as you're like planning like your life, so you fit in with like the universal plan, like you can basically fit yourself into the future. It's a really weird thing. I think I'm Terry Davis. Nah, I don't have a God telling me to make my window manager in 800 by 640. Bro, I make $250K a year. I've lived in a van before, though. How do I get a hex? $640 by 480. Man, even smaller. The reason why God told him that is because that's all he could handle. And God wanted him to finish his window manager or his OS. And so if you got stuck building like a super high-tech, high-def graphic system, you probably would have been stuck building that 3D out of Egypt game or whatever the fuck it had made. Heart. Claude. How do I compile my INO for Arduino AVR dude? Bruh. Oh, I need the Arduino CLI. Okay. Okay. What is the blink INO? Do I have to include anything? No, I think that it's all just standard library stuff. Hmm. Well, that actually worked. Surprised. AVR GCC, very nice. Right. Loop. Doesn't know what loop is. Oh, maybe I didn't save. No. Hmm. Why would it be undefined reference? Oh, guess that's why. Hey, compiled. Where's the hex? Oh, that's it? Just... Okay, so it compiles it. Where does it go, though? There's no... output dir here. What? That's weird. Okay. Okay, so I don't think it's com1, but... simpleman.ino.hacks. Okay, so the com1 is not what I want. It's on the server, so I need to SCP that thing over to the server. It shouldn't be too difficult, though, I suppose. Need to get more power to the server. See what chat has to say. I'll just... Oh yeah, yeah. You can use AVR dude or you can use AVR girl. Mama told me when I was young, come sit beside me, my only son. Now listen closely to what I say. I'm gonna scare all the watchers away. Oh shit. Okay, so I need to boot my server, which means I need to get power to it. Okay, so The power for the server is here, or that's for the laptop. What is that for? One is for the, I think one for the TV, one for the 3D printer. So if I turn off the TV version, the TV is actually connected. Let's see. So it has a hole in the wall. That's where it derives its power. Let me think. Well, I guess I can just try to move the power source for the server all the way over here, which I believe is where the laptop power is anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Okay. Took way too long to get that set up. Jeez. Jeez. Oh shit. This needs to be on live. There's 6 people watching now. Hello. Uh-oh. Okay. This says, let's see what this says. It says 7%. Guys, I think this is going to take literally like hours. I think I might have to assemble this in a second stream. Which is unfortunate. But, okay, so now I need to SCP flash. Hold on. History grep SCP. Okay, SCP flash to 10.0.0.233 slash. Oh, it's going to work. Nice. Okay, ls dev. I always forget how to access this. I think this is the one. All right. So with lock, uh-oh. Well, I have to install AVR dude here. The server needs AVR dude. Bruh. Alright, let's do that again. Actually, I think you probably see both. Does it flash? Does it flash? I think it actually flashed. Let's try that again. One more time. Okay, let's watch it for blinking. Oh, can't open it. Okay. Well, man, I've had this problem before. I forgot how I solve it. Programmer not responding. I wonder if I have Arduino just installed. I have this CLI installed. If I can just install. Oh, I need to use the CLI anyways. Right, let's see what it has to say about this, because it's a fairly common problem, I think. I mean, that may not even be the correct. Let's see. Alright, so if I lsdev ttyacm, now if I unplug the Arduino and I do it again, the ACM, ttyacm, should be gone. And I don't see it. Okay, so now I plug it back in, and I think it'll be ACM1 now. Maybe it'll be ttyacm0. Okay. Let me make sure the command is correct. See, look at that. That's why it's not working. Silly me. This is dev tty amc0, I think acm0. Alright, does it work? Yep, not working. Oh, whoops. There we go. Alright, where is this? I guess I'll copy that. Oh, damn it. I think I may have crashed it. Yeah, I crashed it. Holy fuck, I'm tired. Oh, damn it. I hate it when it gets into a crash loop like this. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea, Onyx. Or Oxen. Oxenate. Who says I can set up udev rules. I should do that. Bitch says, what is this? Bitch being a cat, which is hilarious. This is HackMatrix. I'm working on printing a robot. Might as well go out to the ocean. Since all my windows are gone. This is a window manager I built on Linux. But the thing with the window manager, it's just kind of fun to like use while streaming. It feels like I'm playing a game kind of while streaming, and I think it's going to feel more and more like that. Um, so it just makes like me doing boring shit on stream because Linux is boring as fuck. Like people don't want to watch that. But if I do Linux while simultaneously like LARPing around the 3D world, like that's a little more interesting. I need to start doing 11-hour streams like this guy. Play Rust on Linux. I think you can play Rust on Linux. I don't really play. I don't really play video games. I'm just gonna be honest. Okay. I'm going to kill this too. This generator. Actually, it should probably continue to live. Okay, it really just doesn't want to flash up. Oh, it might have actually flashed. I saw it. It's responding with blinks. I might have to try platform IO. Yeah, I don't know. I've heard of it. Kind of want to try using it. Responding to the comments. Might not be able to access it. Responding to Oxen's comment. Alright, let's see if I can actually. Okay. Okay. So what is the 18 mega on this? It's based on the 18 mega 256. I wonder if I search for 256. There it is. Hmm. I don't have the simple man INO. So no wonder it's not going to work. Let's do this again. No, it's like a CL. Platform IO is like a CLI for like managing IoT stuff. I actually interviewed with them. They're just like a really big IoT company. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Have to wonder what time it is. I mean, yeah, the free software sometimes is bad, but like the entire internet pretty much runs on Linux, so it's not that bad. Yeah, I mean, I just took a piss, man. It's not that big of a deal. In my own home. Most of the internet does not use Windows Server. Yeah, you really want to see how it works out? It might not work out. Here, ah, man. All right, let me try to get this thing uploaded. So I think I need to SCP that code over. So, thought I already did this. Let me at least try to get that circuit working. Sorry for how long it's taking. All right, let's try to, let's see. Um, the fuck? I thought I SCP'd. Oh, I'm SCPing. I'm SCPing the wrong thing over. I need to the simpleman.ino. Not that it matters. It's literally just blink code. Okay, I need to move this to this. Wait, didn't I? Could have sworn I did this here. All right, let's see if it can actually unknown detected unknown package ATM. I have no idea what this is. Pio sucks. What the fuck? Detected unknown package. Platform IO, you're installing this. All right, let me try the them. What is this? It's not OBJS anymore. Let's do it. Simpleman /source/simpleman.ino. It blinks, does nothing. Ah, man, it's getting late. What time is it where I'm at? Okay, I'm going to bed. I'm done. I'm sorry, Zia. I apologize that you don't get to see, but I need to go. Adios.